I'm so excited today. I have the chance to express my gratitude, to express a big thank you for sharing with our club your skills, your knowledge, your time, and your positive energy. When our president, George Godoy, shared the idea about the gratitude meeting, I instantly knew I wanted to speak about you. Of course, throughout the year, we had the magnificent opportunity to receive all those great workshops from our special guests. But your workshop, Remote Ready, had the biggest impact on me and motivated me the most. Do you know why? When you started the Remote Ready presentation, you started with a yes or no question. Yes or no? Do you want to be seen as a competent professional? Yes or no? Bam, you got me. You got me right there. To be a competent professional. This is my vision. This is my goal, especially since last year where I became a head in one of the departments of the software company I work in. This is my #1 priority. You described so objectively the new world, the new remote world that we're living since the pandemic started. And you gave so successfully the challenges we face in this new world, the challenges of communication, interaction, team building. You shared such powerful tools. You enlightened us with best practices, how to face, how to handle these challenges in the presentation when we want to motivate our team, our audience. But the most important takeout, what totally captured me, was the gravity you give in energy, being energetic, being there in your meeting, and most important, to simplify the message to your audience. This is something that I try to apply on a daily basis with my team, with my audience when I have a video presentation. And your positive energy, your dynamism absolutely motivated me since that workshop. So, dear John, once again, a big thank you from the bottom of my heart. I wish you all the best, professionally wise, career wise, personally wise, and who knows, maybe one day we're lucky again to host you live here in Athens, in our Toastmasters Club, to share an in-person ready workshop. Thank you very much.
Well, I can see the enthusiasm in Liana, and that's what we felt. John, for 1 to 2 minutes, the floor is absolutely yours.
Well, thank you, Georgia. I don't need 2 minutes. I'm going to keep it simple. As Liana said, keep it short and simple. The best thing I can say is thank you so very much, Liana and Toastmasters Athens. Those are actually probably the kindest words I've ever heard in my life. I'm trying to keep my composure in so many respects. I look forward to coming to Athens and visiting Athens and to spend time with the people and meet all of you. That would be the fundamentally most important aspect of the trip. So thank you very much. And you are so inspiring to see all of you speaking in English, in your second language. And it's just so inspiring and to see your development and your growth. So thank you very much. And I wish you all well.